Welcome to TechX Vision, your ultimate gateway to the future of technology.
Blue Origin Ka New Glenn EK Powerful Heavy Lift Launch Vehicle High-Jo Large Payloads Ka Design Kia Gaia High 95-meter Se Ziada Uncha Yi 2-stage rocket EK Reusable First Stage K Soth Ada High First Stage Mine 7B4 Engines Lage Hain Jo Liquefied Natural Gas Our Liquid Oxygen Par Chalt Hain Our Millions of Pounds Thrust Generate Card Hain New Glenn Ka Booster Vertical Landing Carda High Our 25 Se Ziada Missions Kalia Reuse Ho Sakta High Second Stage Mine BE3U Hydrogen Engines Use Hot Hain Jo Complex Orbital Insertions Kalia Optimized Hain Iska 7-meter wide payload fairing Dunia K largest fairings Mine Se Ek High Yi Rocket 45 metric tons Leo Our 13 tons GTO Tok La Ya Sakta High G's satellite constellations Lunar missions Our future crewed flights possible Hodhain Dassault Aviation Ka Vortex Concept Europe K Space Future Ko Naya Direction Deda High Yi Ek Fully Reusable Orbital Spaceplane High-Jo Airplane Ki Tara Runway Se Takeoff Our Landing Karega Lekin Space Missions Perform Karega Iska Design Aviation Grade Aerodynamics Co-Orbital Maneuvering K Soth Combine Carda High Vortex Ka Spacious Payload Base Satellites Deploy Carne Cargo Transport Space Station Resupply Our on Orbit Servicing J's Missions Kalia Banaya Gaia High Iska Development Char Phases Mine Hoga Vortex DEK Re-Entry Demonstrator Hoga Vortex SEK Smart Free Flying Vehicle Vortex C Full-Scale Cargo Version Our Vortex M Crude Configuration HAR Stage Hypersonic Flight Control Advanced Thermal Protection Our Mission Adaptability Co-Test Karega France K Ministry of Armed Forces Our European Space Agency K Support K SOP Vortex Europe Key Independent Our Strategic Space Access Co Strong Karega Civil Our Defense Dono Applications K Lie Radian 1 EK Revolutionary Spaceplane High-Jo Dunia Kapella Fully Reusable Single Stage to Orbit Vehicle Ban Ka Aim Rakta High Yi Conventional Aircraft JIC Operations Offer Karega Jizmi Horizontal Launch Our Runway Landing Shamil High Launch K Wakt Yi Ek Rocket Powered Sled Par 2 km Track Se Mach 0.7 Tok Accelerate Hoda Hay Jis Onboard Fuel Back to High Iska Delta Wing Design Aerodynamic Lift Generate Carda High Jo Ascent Our Re-Entry Dono Co Efficient Banada High Landing Gear Co Surf Recovery K Lie Optimize Kia Gaia High Weight Cam Rockna K Lie Takeoff Structures Remove Kia Gay Hang Radian 1 Co 100 flights per vehicle Our 48-hour turnaround K Lie Design Kia Gaia High Yi Lagbig 2,270 kg Payload Orbit Tok Our 4,540 kg Wapas La Sakta High Recent Taxi Tests Ne Iska Systems Co Validate Car Dia High Space Rider European Space Agency Ka Ek Reusable Our Uncrewed Spaceplane High Yi Vega C Rocket Se Launch Hoda Hay Our AVUM Plus Service Module K Zarya Orbit Maneuvers Control Carda High Space Rider Microgravity Experiments Our Technology Demonstrations K Lia Ek Operational Orbital Lab High Iska Payload Bay 600 Se 800 kg Tok Experiments Carry Car Sakta High Our 2 Mahine Tok Missions Conduct Car Sakta High Controlled Re-Entry K Bod Yi Parafoil System K Zarya High Accuracy Landing Carda High Space Rider Co Cam Se Cam 5 Missions K Lia Reuse Kia Ya Sakta High Jis Cost Coffee Cam Hodi High Yi Satellite Deployment Earth Observation Our in Orbit Servicing K Lia B Use Ho Sakta High Celeste Zefalto Ka Stratospheric Capsule High-Jo Passengers Co Helium Balloon K Zarya 25 km Altitude Tok La Jada High Yi Height Earth K Curvature Our Space K Black Sky Ka Stunning View Dedi High Capsule Ka Design Reflective Shell Our Large Panoramic Windows K Soth Banaya Gaia High Passengers Co 3-hour Ka Calm Float Experience Milta High Jahan Wo 98% Atmosphere K Upper Hodhain Luxury interior mine Michelin level dining, Wi-Fi our private suites Shamil Hain. Sabsi important bot yi hai k Celeste ka carbon footprint bohat low high, surf 27 kg carbon dioxide per guest. Yi near space tourism co sustainable our artistic experience banata high. NASA habitable zone co study Karta high. Joestar K Gerd Wo region Hoda He Jahan liquid water exist Kar Sakta high. Hamare solar system mine Earth is zone K center mine high. Jabki Mars Aur Venus edges par hain. Isi Waja say Earth par life possible way. NASA surf planets high Nahi Balke icy moons Jays Europa Aur Enceladus par B focus Kar Raha high. Jahan subsurface oceans hone K strong chances hain. Future missions Aur telescopes. J's habitable worlds observatory. Earth-like exoplanets Aur Unka atmospheres co-analyze Kereng. Goal Yi Hai K universe mine life supporting environments co-identify Kia J. Virgin Galactic commercial suborbital space travel Ka Pioneer High. Iska system White Knight mothership Aur spaceship to spacecraft par based high. Air launch method say spacecraft high altitude par release Hoda He Aur fear rocket powered ascent Karta high. Passengers ko kuch minutes K Lie microgravity experience Milta high Aur Earth K breathtaking views Dikai Deet Hain. Large windows Aur comfortable cabin design experience co luxury Banata high. Next generation Delta class vehicles rapid turnaround Aur weekly flights K Lie design Kia Gay Hain. Virgin Galactic space tourism co safe. Repeatable Aur premium experience Banana Chata Hay. Polaris Dawn mission Nay commercial spaceflight K Nay records set Kia. Enhanced Crew Dragon spacecraft nearly 1,400 km altitude Talk Gaia. Jo Apollo era K Bod Sabsi Ziada Da. Is high orbit Nay deep space radiation Aur long duration space exposure K studies co possible Banaya. Mission K Doran biomedical experiments conduct Kia Gay. Jismi radiation effects. Vision changes Aur decompression risks Shamilda. Polaris Dawn Nay Paley commercial spacewalk B perform Key. Jismi Nay SpaceX EVA suits test Key Gay. Bina Airlock K. Dragon capsule co depressurize Kia Gaia Aur astronauts Nay capsule say partially exit Kia. Is mission Nay Starlink laser communication co B demonstrate Kia. Jo Moon Aur Mars missions K Lie future connectivity Ka base high. Polaris program commercial human spaceflight K next phase co represent Karta high. Vast EK private aerospace company High Jo low Earth orbit mine commercial space stations develop Kar Rahi high. Iska Pella module Haven 1 high. Jo 4 astronauts co 30-day missions K Lie host Karega. Yi Crew Dragon docking support Karta high Aur scientific research K Lie payload slots provide Karta high. Haven 1 mine Wi-Fi. 1000 watts power supply, comfortable sleeping systems Aur EK panoramic domed window Hoagie. Long-term vision Mine Haven 2 EK modular Aur expandable station Hoga Jismi robotic arms, EVA airlocks Aur Ziada living space Shamil Hoga. Vast Ka Gol ISS K Bod commercial Aur sustainable orbital habitats Banana high. Human-focused interiors Aur advanced logistics K soft. Vast space living co-practical Aur accessible Banana Chata Hay. Starship mission Mars next step. SpaceX Ka Starship Dunia Ka Sabsi powerful fully reusable spacecraft high. Jo Mars Aur deep space missions K Lie Banaya Gaia high. Stainless steel structure strength, low-cost manufacturing Aur high thermal resistance provide Karta high. Izmi methane-fueled Raptor engines use Hot Hain Jo high-efficiency Deet Hain. Starship Ka Sabsi unique feature in orbit refueling high. Jahan tanker variant spacecraft co-fuel supply Kart Hain. Mars Par Pa Hunch Kar Yi in situ resource utilization use Karega. Jismi Martian carbon dioxide Aur water say methane Aur oxygen Banaya Jayaga. 100 tons talk payload capacity K soft. Starship habitats. Crew Aur cargo EK high launch mine La Ya Sakta high. SpaceX 2026 KAASPAAS Pella uncrewed Mars mission plan Kar Raha high. Dream Chaser Sierra Space Ka reusable lifting body spaceplane Haijo cargo our future crewed missions K Lie design Wa Hai. Yi Vulcan Centaur rocket K Upper launch Hoda Hai our mission K Bod runway par aircraft Ki Tara land Karda Hai. Iska gentle re-entry surf 1.5 G force generate Karda Hai. Jo sensitive scientific experiments K Lie ideal high. Shooting Star cargo module K Soth Yi pressurized Aur unpressurized payloads deliver Kar Sakta High. Spaceplane Co multiple missions K Lie reuse Kia Ya Sakta High. Dream Chaser ISS resupply Aur future space logistics Ka Ek important Hissa Ban Ya Raha High. Orion spacecraft NASA Ka crew rated vehicle Haijo Moon Aur future Mars missions K Lie Banaya Gaia High. Crew module Lockheed Martin Ne Aur service module European Space Agency Ne develop Kia High. Service module power, propulsion Aur life support provide Karda High. Orion advanced navigation systems, deep space communication Aur multi-layer safety features K Soth Ada High. High-speed re-entry K Lie Iska heat shield Bohat powerful High. Launch abort system emergency escape ensure Karda High. Orion Artemis missions K Zarya humans Ko Moon Par Wapas La Jayaga Aur deep space exploration Ka Rasta Banayaga. Rocket Lab Ka Neutron Ek medium lift reusable rocket Haijo 13,000 kilograms payload low Earth orbit Top La Ya Sakta High. Iska structure lightweight carbon composite materials Se Bana High. Jo strength Aur efficiency Dono Deta High. Neutron methane fueled Archimedes engines use Karda High. Jo modern Aur clean propulsion offer Kardhane. Iska unique. Hungry Hippo. Fairing open Aur close Ho Sakta High. G's payload release K Bod booster recovery fast Hodi High. Neutron Co land based Ya sea based platforms Par recover Kia Ya Sakta High. NASA Aur US Space Force K contracts Iski capability prove Kardhane. Atmos Phoenix capsule orbit Se cargo Wapas Lon Ka Ek Naya Aur innovative solution High. Yi traditional heavy ablative heat shields Ki Jaga inflatable heat shield use Karda High. Re-entry K Doran Yi torus shaped shield deploy Hoda Hai Aur atmospheric pressure K Zarya heat Aur deceleration Co handle Karda High. Phoenix 1 prototype 100 kg talk payload carry Kar Sakta High. J's biological samples. Radiation detectors Aur scientific experiments. Iska Pella mission successful Raha Jizmi shield deployment Aur onboard systems test Kie Gay. Recovery attempt Nahi Wa. Lekin data transmission Aur payload operations validate Ho Gay. A flat Atmos Phoenix 2 develop Kar Raha Haijo guided re-entry Aur precise landing zones enable Karega. Yi technology microgravity manufacturing. Medical research Aur sensitive space hardware K Lie fast, low-cost Aur reusable downmass services provide Karagi.
Thanks for watching, Bart. Stay smart, stay tech. See you in the next video.